Can we skip to the good part?
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obcezzd Designs.
I'm Princess Masong, Head Designer and Creative Director at AMIS, Masong Architectural Services. I have been in the design industry for 3 years, but my family has been constructing buildings, houses, and renovating spaces for as long as I can remember. Well, I believe it runs in the blood, and this is my time. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Zess, and I'm obsessed with design.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Princess Masong. I am an architect based here in Cebu, Philippines, and this channel is about all things creative. For today's episode, we are going to Baseline Premier Residences, Cebu.
Baseline Premier Residences is a contemporary 27-floor condominium structure with a commercial complex at its foot. It has one of the most desirable locations in the city since it's within walking distance from major lifestyle needs in Midtown Cebu, including hospitals like Cebu Velas General Hospital, Cebu Doctors Hospital, and Changwa Medical Arts.
The property that we will be renovating is a 24 square meter studio unit, and the challenge is to make this as versatile as possible to accommodate more people in the space since this will become a rental unit. For the design, we've elevated the main bed to a pedestal to make room for a pull-out bed that doubles as a sofa when not in use. We also incorporated some curtains in the main bed to provide some privacy without obstructing the air conditioning circulation. We also provided ceiling fans to give options to the future renters. For the media console, we made sure to provide ample storage. We also provided a dining table that can be kept when not in use. We also provided a lot of storages at the pedestal bed. If you've been following me here in YouTube, then you know that I don't waste any space. Right beside the bed is a shelf and a closet with sliding doors. Right below the pedestal bed is the sofa that can be pulled out into a queen-size bed, and again, storage.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you love this transformation. Leave a comment down below which part of the transformation is your favorite. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!